for I am a mighty cat. I sleep all day and hunt all night. I am a mighty cat, all right. Coyotes fear me throughout the land. It just takes one swipe of my mighty hand. I give angry bears the worst nightmares. Ain't no monster that finds live deer will ever come near. I am a damn mighty feline. I make every creature take the beeline. I am a cat, a darn mighty cat, and I can catch a rat just like that. And I'm a hard-lifting cat, haven't got an ounce of fat. I once snagged a flying bat, got him good, for I am a mighty cat. I dance at every chance, meowing at every circumstance. I like to get to bed and make some bread, for I have a need. I need to knead. I ain't no amateur when it comes to purr. My favorite dish is baked fish. My mama bakes it, and when she ain't looking, I takes it. I am a mighty cat, and there ain't no other like that. I'm not really sure what this poem is about. I was just trying to practice poetry and created this amazing beauty. If I ever have any critics, I'm sure they'll dig through it and find some meaning to it. But it really is just a poem about some cat that's mighty and big like that.